Sunday, February 2nd, 2025, ice fishing.
Yo, that's way more serious than I was anticipating.
got back from ice fishing out in MCDOUGALLAKE Lake again on February 2nd. We decided this time to keep one of our chain pickerels. It's good and slimy right now. And we're going to try filleting it. It is the first time we've tried this. It's a little smaller pickerel than we caught last week. And we also got a hint that if you do end up with a little bones in the fillet, that you can soak it in vinegar and water for a little bit, and it'll dissolve the bones away because they're just fine bones. And in the first of this, you cut right behind the head, right down to the spine. And you cut right along the backbone. You can hear the blade running. And you cut right back to the end of this fin. So that gives you a little fillet there. And I might feel a few little pin bones there, but nothing too serious. And then from what I read, you can go along these outside bones. There's 2 strips of Y bones that go down this outside here. And I'm going to cut down like that. Then not a real fat fish. And you cut them right along the bones. You cut them up, and you can cut them and you cut them right along the belly here. My fillet knife's not overly sharp. I might have to do a little doctoring on that. I think we could do the same here. Should have the kitchen lighted up better too, because it's fairly dingy in here. And you cut right along the belly. I definitely need to sharpen this fillet knife.
Then the next fillets you can get, if you go right behind that anal vent, cut in
and cut right back to the tail. It should be a boneless fillet. Then you flip the skin up.
Let's give this knife a little rinse. Look. Then you can go right along the skin here and cut that free, so you get a little nugget there.
And once again, you cut into the spine there. You cut right back to the
tail along the spine, and you go cut that little nugget off the skin.
Like I said, this is my first time filleting a pickerel, and if it's any good with these little test pieces,
I will start keeping them, especially in the winter. There, I'm just getting little tiny nuggets off it. Like I say, it's not a big one, it's a legal one, but
there's that.
I don't know if I feel a little pin chip things there. I might give that a little cutout in the center. I've seen other people not do it, but I feel like I might have cut the tips of the bones off. Yeah, I do feel it. There. Now. There, and we got a couple more little fillets. Like, there's not much fish, but if you get a limit of them and you get some good size
and they're tasty, it could be well worth it. Oh.
And that pickerel was bothering Honey since the moment we got home, being in that sink.
She's never seen a fish or a pickerel before. She's just a soon-to-be 2-year-old puppy. And we haven't taken our chances yet to take her out fishing with us. And there was a neat story to getting this fish.
I had it almost up through the hole when my line broke. Then my wife ended up catching it in the cheek. Catching it in the cheek right next hole over with my lure still in its mouth. So that's why we decided to kind of keep it.
It was kind of neat. And I wish I got it on camera, but we didn't. batteries ran out in the cold before we could get the underwater footage or the footage from the inside the tent.